Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert image watermark in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Keynote software. We can see here many slides. Now you want to add the image watermark. We can see here not available the option. Now I am make this manually. Click this image option and go to the choose media option. Then select our watermark image. Then you can see here the watermark image. Now I will make the image middle on the page. Then go to the arrange menu, make this back. Now I am go to the image option, style option, and decrease the opacity of this image. Then press Ctrl C to copy the image and go back. Go to the another slide and make the image back to the page. Otherwise, you can lock this image to make the permanent watermark. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.